Now let us explain about various activities involved in fabrication. Marking and cutting different angles and geometrical shape on sheet metal. Marking and cutting. Now we are going to see how a weld test specimen is prepared for welding. Here the welder is holding the steel plate on the work table. First of all, the welder starts his work by marking the dimensions with the scale and chalk piece. Now, once the marking is completed, the welder uses the center punch and indents the dimension points. Now the specimen is ready for oxygen acetylene gas cutting. The welder uses all personal protection equipments such as safety shield, gloves, safety shoes, etc. The workman chooses appropriate size of the nozzle for the cutting torch, and the cylinder valves are opened slowly using the key, and he tests the gas flow, also cleans the nozzle for free flow of gas. The oxygen acetylene hoses are connected to the cylinder at one end and to the cutting torch to the other end. Now he opens the oxygen and acetylene control valve in the ratio 1:3 and oxidizing flame is produced. The gas flow is regulated for gas cutting. Now, the flame adjustment is completed and cutting is commenced on the job, and welder holds the torch steadily and cuts in a straight line. Similarly, the positions at the workpieces are changed and the remaining sides of the pieces are cut. Now, the cut pieces are held in the vise and edges of the specimen are ground square using a grinding machine. The perpendicularity of specimen is checked using tri-square for the orientation of the joints. Now the plate is ready for the fit-up. Draw a circle, pentagon and an equilateral triangle as per dimensions given in the job drawing using geometrical construction principle or method, keeping O as the center for all these shapes. Construct a circle inside a square. Set the compass for 60 mm radius using a steel rule. Keep one of the pointed end of the wing compass at the punch mark on the square sheet. Draw a half circle clockwise from left to right using thumb pressure. Mark the rest of the circle anti-clockwise from left to right. Mark clearly at the first stroke itself. Construct a triangle inside a circle. Draw the radius of circle as 0.58 into the side of the equilateral triangle. That is 0.58 into 75 is equal to 43.5 mm. Draw the circle with the above radius and mark the center lines JK and ZN. Draw an arc XOY from point N taking NO as radius and cutting the circumference of the circle at X and Y. Join XY, joint YZ, and ZX. Construct a pentagon inside a circle. Draw a circle with O as center by using a wing compass. Name the horizontal center as AB, that is, the diameter of the circle. From C as center, CO as radius, draw an arc cutting the circle and name it G. Join points C and G. Now the line CG is one of the sides of the pentagon.